Hello friends and family, welcome to Nice TV Show. Welcome to a brand new episode of Names of Things in Esan language. We are still dwelling on name of things in Esan language. We haven't finished. If today is your first day of joining us in this program, we urge you to go back to previous lesson which we started from names of things in Esan language. There are a lot of things you need to learn. Catch us from there before you come to this very episode. So names of things in the same language. So without wasting much of your time, bring out your pencil, your biro, and your book. If it's paper, jotter, it doesn't mean. If it's pencil, biro, whatever you say, bring it out. You have paper, you have jotter. They are all accepted. So I'm waiting for you. You bring them close, and let's start the lesson. Names of things in Esan language. So I believe everything is done. So can we move ahead now? Thank you. Let's go. Number one of you, we have what is called Holy Bible. The Holy Bible. In English, it's called Holy Bible. But in Esan language, what do we call it? Ebe no Shali. Ebe no Shali. You can also say, you are not wrong, but Ebe no Shali. Holy Bible, in Esan we call it Ebe no Shali, or we call Holy Bible. Then the next one we have a book. Book. In Esan we call them Ebe. Ebe. And what we call book in Esan language. Then we have Ogo. In Esan language we call it Ogo. In English language we call it Bottle. Bottle, that is the English people. Then in our own language, Esan language we call it Ogo. Then lights. Upa. Your glove at home, the lights we use in the village, different kind of light, they are all lights. So in this one we call them Upa. There is this very one, normally found in the village. When you light it, it gives smoke more than every other thing. You can't sleep in the house with that. If you try it, next morning, you gotta bring things out of your nose. So say that one we call it Obobo. Very small. It doesn't have glass, nothing. But generally, they are called Upa, which is a light. Light in English, Upa in Esan language. Don't get me wrong. Try to follow me so that you can get this right. Then we have a key. Key in English language. In Esan language we call it Isahan. Isahan. Key to open door, to key of cars, of machine. They are keys. Isahan. That's what we call key in Esan language. We have what we call room. Room. In English language it's called room, a room inside the house. In this one we call it Ekowa. Ekowa. Ekowa, I have a room. What we call Ekowa. We have matches. Matches in the English language. In this language we call it Usano. Usano, the matches you like. You utilize cigar, you utilize gas cooker, stove, different kind of things. Medicine. Medicine. In English we call it medicine. The drugs, but normally called it medicine, not to misplace it. Medicine. In Esan language we call them Ihun. Or most people call them Uhun. But Ihun, we have a different kind of medicine. There are tribal medicine, there are those call them charms and all those kind of things, but the one we are talking about is the one on the television. Different kind, but you must be sure of the one you are speaking of. If you go to the pharmacy, there they are selling medicine. Just let them know you are looking for medicine, which is Chukwume, normally sell in the pharmacy. Way, which is way in English language, in this one we call it Uwede. 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 Then you have a road. Uhu. You see the little different inside. Uwede. Uhu. If you are not a typical Isha, you mostly they that are pinpoint in this language, you might get a little bit confused, but that is it. We have a road, we have a way. The way mean there, the road mean there, it's a little bit trickish there. So that's how it is. Then after that we have what we call television. Then we have a television, TV. TV mean television. Yeah. Then this one we call it Ekpeti Adudu. Ekpeti Adudu. This where you know. But sometimes I keep imagining myself, how could they bring such a name for this kind of thing? Ekpeti Adudu. Though that's how we meet it, so that's how we are calling it, though. So you also need to learn it. Yeah, then we have radio. It's not too different from each other. We call it Italian way, because we used to hear things, but we don't see anything. It's Italian way, you know. Italian mean noise, voices. Expecting Italian, or I would call radio. And here we have a man, full man. Woman in English language, in Eastern language we call it Oho. The solid madam, solid woman, Oho. I know Oho is called woman. Though these days they used to generalize all of them together. You see girl, old woman, but they are different. We have a young lady, we have women, and we have a advanced women. Those them, papa, them, mama. That is different. We have inside there. So we have baby. Omo, little baby. We have baby food, baby omo, baby food, babies. They used to eat omo, how we call it, baby food. Crying. When you are crying, tears will be coming out from your eyes. Crying means AVA. For somebody to be crying, tears will be coming out. For crying. And we have a bead. We are Isan. Our culture, we dress with a bead. You see the women wearing a bead, the men wear bead, put in your hand, and then, as an Eastern man and woman, you're supposed to know what is bead. Bead is a part of our dressing culture, Yeah, we have bead. Bead is called ilege in this language. Ilege. Yeah, it's called bead. And after that, we have a necklace. Necklace, when you suppose that, then in this one we call it ibara uhu. Ibara uhu. Here is a neck. Neck we call it uhu. Ibara uhu. And we have a hanchi. Hanchi means ibara ubo. Because remember, this is ubo, hand, ubo. So hanchi means ibara ubo, ibagba ubo, or ibara ubo. Called hanchi. And we have a church. Church means otwe in this language. Otwe. Otwe. Oh, was a little. It's not bad, but normally my joy utwe. We have a pastor. Pastor. In this one we call them Ohen also usenubla. Ohen also usenubla. I will call them in the Eastern language. Pastors, men of God. God said it. That's what we call them in the Eastern language. Ohen also usenubla. And we have a school. In English we call them school. In the Eastern we call them YB. Jeddah YB. School where we learn YB. We have a teacher. In English language we call them teacher. Who teach just like I am. I'm a teacher. A teacher. So we call them Omaybe. Who's teaching someone. Omaybe. Omaybe. That's what we call it there. It's a language. Then we have court. Court. Call them in this language. We call it wise so. Where cases, are being judged. After police station, go to court. Court is the head of a cases there. Everything is being displayed, finalized, and judged. So that is it. That is it. So we call them there wise so. It's also bad we could. Then another way, some people also call it ikotu. Ikotu. That way so. That's how we call them ikotu or wise. So that's how we call them there. It's a language. Then we have a lawyer or mesopi. In the summer we call them or mesopi. Then we have a judge, or in the tavern. In the summer we call them or in the tavern. That's what we call judges in this language. Then we have a police station. Waibanigbe. In the summer we call them Waibanigbe. So we call them in this language. Then we have police. Police means Ibanigbe. The policeman, policewoman, they are all language. We have one language for them. Ibanigbe also they are all Ibanigbe also. Ibanigbe policeman, policewoman. So that's how we call it. And we have a market. In this language we call it Eki, which is a market. Eki. I want to go to the market. My brother Shenki. Will you follow me to the market? What did I call Shenki? Yes. So market Eki. Then we have a market people. In this language we call them Idweki. Yeah, plural now. Idweki. If it is singular, one person, call it Odweki. One person call it O something other. Odweki, or we have more than one plural. We call them Idweki. That's how we call them. So, friends and family, thank you for watching this program, and I believe you are learning out of it. I hope I'm not teaching in vain. So, the next time we meet, I think I can ask you, what is market in Esan language? And I believe you're going to tell me straight, wholeheartedly. So, not just for you to write down, put it also in your head. Practice it. Mostly I will say, people, they that live outside the country, they that live abroad, they are the one that are forgotten about Esan language. I hope you are watching me, and I hope you are learning from it. So we call it today. I say, may the Most High guide and protect you all. We'll meet again next week. Don't forget. So please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you. Stay blessed. Bye bye.